In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe button to your Gmail emails. Whether you're managing a newsletter or sending promotional emails, having an unsubscribe option is crucial for compliance with email marketing laws and promoting user trust. So, let's dive right in and ensure your emails are both professional and user-friendly. First, you'll want to start by composing your email in Gmail. Go ahead and write your message as you normally would, ensuring that it's clear, concise, and captures all the details you need to convey. Now, this is an important foundation because a well-composed email reflects positively on your brand and enhances reader engagement. Next, scroll to the bottom of your email where we're going to add the unsubscribe text. Type out unsubscribe and consider making it bold or underlining it. This small yet vital step helps draw attention to the unsubscribe option, making it easily noticeable and accessible for anyone who might wish to opt out. Remember, it's all about transparency and giving people control over the communications they receive. Once you've typed unsubscribe, you need to highlight this text. Simply click and drag your cursor over the word until it's selected. Visual cues, such as bold or underlined text, are essential elements in email design because they guide the reader's eye. Highlighting this text is your way of setting it apart as a noticeable feature of your message. Now, with the text highlighted, turn your attention to the Gmail toolbar above your message. Look for the link icon. It typically resembles a chain or link. Clicking this icon is going to open a small pop-up window, which is where the magic starts to happen. This icon is key for creating hyperlinks, which are essential for interactive and responsive emails. In the pop-up window that appears, you'll need to paste the unsubscribe link you have on your website or a landing page dedicated to unsubscribing. This link is the actual destination users will be taken to should they decide to no longer receive your emails. Make sure this URL is correct and functional. A broken or incorrect link can frustrate users and damage your credibility. After pasting your link, you'll see an option to click Apply. Go ahead and click this button. What this does is it transforms the highlighted unsubscribe text into a clickable link, ensuring recipients can easily access the unsubscribe page. It's important to test this link once your email is complete to ensure it directs users correctly. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added an unsubscribe button to your Gmail emails. This not only aids in maintaining compliance with regulations, but also enhances your relationship with email recipients by offering them meaningful choices. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, happy emailing.